Chapter 41 Nature Quiz. Nature is a vast and fascinating domain encompassing diverse phenomena, ecosystems, and concepts. The Antarctic Desert, the world's largest desert, contrasts starkly with Mars, the red planet, known for its potential to harbor life. Earth's protective ozone layer shields us from harmful UV radiation, while the vast prairies, steppes, and savannas symbolize diverse grassland ecosystems. The savannas, often explored on safari journeys, teem with wildlife. Energy, measured in calories, powers all living beings. While METRI, India's Antarctic Research Station, aids in studying polar ecosystems. Instruments like the seismograph monitor Earth's seismic activities, while natural wonders like Chilka Lake, Asia's largest brackish water lagoon, host unique biodiversity. Switzerland's Gland houses the IUCN, vital for global conservation efforts. The biosphere encapsulates all life on Earth, harmonizing with ancient sciences like Ayurveda, which advocates natural healing. Fascinating creatures like the albatross and the hilsa fish exemplify nature's diversity. Theories like Charles Darwin's evolution unravel life's mysteries, while tudologists innovate tutoring systems inspired by nature's learning mechanisms. Each element showcases nature's complexity and its influence on human understanding.